Hi guys, so today we are going to be playing Build a Fort Treasure. Yes, we are going to be playing a different game than Adopt Me. Oh, and about the Fly Ride Uni, I hope you all win. Like, I really want to give you everything I have. I got hacked and stuff, so all this drama has been going on, So yeah, how I like to play this is basically I go in the middle and then I just surround myself with random stuff. So yeah, I'm protected and stuff like that. So now we can just wait and stuff. So I have to delete that block. And I only have 5 more of that block. Well, let's go and let's get another block, I guess. So yeah. Oh, there's no more. Okay, then we have to get another block. I'm gonna use this one. I know I didn't hear. Ugh. Yeah, I know. Okay, yeah, my singing is so terrible. Okay, guys. I will just be building a boat, taking some pictures, and then we will be on our way. Then I can just end the video, guys. I don't want to be waiting for so long. Oh, and thank you for 4 views on my last video. That meant really a lot. So yeah. Okay, so now we just I'm just gonna put 4 chairs around here and stuff. And then, take this block out. And then I'm gonna be sitting in the middle. And now I just sit. That's literally just my tactic, what I do. So I just random stuff, and somehow it does not look good, but my friend keeps texting me, but I'm see, because she wants to win. Even though I said I did pick a winner, I haven't gave them the pet. I'm sorry, guys, but I haven't gave them the pet yet. Actually, no, I did not get the pet. No, I did not pick a winner yet. So, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, this is my boat. Beautiful, right? I love it. Just take some pictures of that. I really want her to win, but I can't pick everyone. So, guys, bye.